Welcome back, everyone. It's time for another upgrade on our EVO rock van. If you missed the last episode where we upgraded the portal hubs, definitely go check that out first. In this episode, we're doing a gearbox case swap to the metal one. Without further ado, let's get into it and take out the gearbox. All right, it's out. Let's take out the drive shafts and then take the gearbox apart. All out. Now let's look at the new one. As expected, the machining on these metal parts is extremely precise and robust. The quality feels great, solid and well made. Looks like we're jumping from 10 grams up to 20 grams. The pack comes with fresh bearings and some hardware, but I'm going to use this Furitek spare screw set to complete the rest of the build. Let's put it back together, and of course, we are not forgetting a generous amount of grease. You'll see me coating all the internal gears and adding a little extra to spare. You don't want to completely choke it, but definitely don't leave it running dry. To make reassembly easy to remember, the non-clutch gear shaft goes right next to the single gear coming from the motor, and the clutch one goes right after. You want the double gears positioned on the side farther from the motor. All right, all back in. The gearbox looks amazing and feels way more solid. Definitely a great durability upgrade. Thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.